Break number 11 dispatch.
Go ahead.
11, after a meet with the number 7 on conductor signal, you have clearance to monument.
11 copies. After a meet with the 7 and on conductor signal, 11 has clearance all the way to monument.
That is correct.
tunnel, you usually turn down the flame?
Nope.
Oh.
I don't need to. It's always, this engine runs pretty clean.
That's good to hear.
I just cleaned it up. Alright folks, after a quick little delay.
Dispatcher, over. 13. Yeah, we're ready to move. Do we still have time to make it up to Monument? I'm gonna have to hold you. I've got too much going on in the back of the railroad right now. If they're gonna stand, so let us know when he's 400.
I'm sorry, 18, I never caught that. Where are you?
18 is exiting the back road.
10-4, waiting for the 18. Yeah. Oh, it's a spring switch, so it doesn't matter anymore.
Dispatch, 18 in the clear on the detour. 18 in after meet with the 11, continue on to Uke. 18 copies, just have to meet with the 11 on the
Go ahead for the 11.
West U.
11 copy, restricted speed to West U. Right, sir? No, it's my bad. I should have talked when you were about to.
for the 11. 11 copy. Clear to Army Camp at 7. Rhythm station.
Yes. I was saying I just got back from a trip to Portland. I saw the daylight.
Good. I love that thing.
Yeah.
Did you see the Mikado they have?
Is it the like? I'm more diesel. I don't know steam.
Yeah.
Okay. What is a Mikado?
282.
So I saw a smaller one towards the back of the building, and then they have that other large one that's not.
Where they have two northerns, the GS4.
Yeah.
And then I think another.
It was like Spokane, Portland, and Western or something. Okay.
There's the Mikado. Green Northern jacket, Stevenson's out here. Which they were running for the Christmas train.
Okay.
I think that's on loan from the Portland Oregon coast. I can't remember. I love that. Big Pacific Cool? No, yeah. But I love the GS. It's really so cool.
Yeah. You excited for next year? American Freedom Train 2.0?
Apart from the
Yeah, that's the easy.
So they restored that T1 That's going to be kind of cool. They restored that in like 2 months, basically.
Oh, you're talking about the 2100 and 2101? What are those?
The one at Baltimore. It's okay.
It's a little loud. I don't know.
What?
This is loud in that my brain can't remember what's being said. Yeah. Oh my God.
I was just talking to that one we were going by. Because he like shrugged at me because we had stopped. It's like, that's fine. I don't care.
I don't know. I saw that. But
Oh look, Mr. Dispatcher himself. I love the 13. So pretty.
Like green boiler, of course. Has more than one thing ever been done?
Yeah.
Okay.
They took the 5 and the shade last year.
So the 7 and yeah, okay, the 5. Got it.
And the 1's 5.
Oh, what's Spire doing here? Well, thank you for the ride.
No problem. Hope you like it.